26.5, 26.5. And this part has a surprise. Here I have a punky pith through the whole wood, and coming on this side it's starting cracking. The plum loves cracking. The rest looks pretty good, only this part here. So I set up the blade with my proper wide diameter. I want to cut the punkiness out from here, so I will cut it off. The rest of wood is very nice, so I will cut it, I don't know, maybe 25 millimeters. I'm checking on my scale here what is the width of the board of the blank. I have 56 millimeters, but for sure it will it must be cut it off. So 25, 20 will give me 45 with a space. I will have almost 50 millimeters. So 25 at first, something like 25. It will have 26. I know. I think I cut not enough. I need I have 20 millimeters, so maybe I will make it 80, 70 to cut off this bark here much more, because here I don't have a wood at all, and it will be a test for my bandsaw. Let it be 17 millimeters. It will be better, I think. of course, clean it up, clean up everything, that the surface will be smooth. Let's take it a bit lower. And let's slice it in hand. We will see how it cuts. And I have a nice thin veneer, maybe 3 millimeters. Of course, this is a firewood, but yes, this is a firewood. This is a main board. And the whole log is cutted on boards, ready for drying. The best part and always unknown part, how it goes, especially with fruit wood. The wood looks very nice when it is wet. Looks like that. Very nice colors. A lot of knots. Every knot is a big risk of cracking. But sealing the wood is not so easy when it is a board. And what is the most important with cutting on the bandsaw? Fingers. All fingers are on place. I will set the whole wood. This is those are 1, 2, 3, 6 boards from one lock, and I hope here I have maybe two boards, I suppose, if I would make a segmented rings. So I will have 2 boards from this. Very nice, very straight. I love it. And one tip from me, after few cuts, maybe cutting some part of the wood, if it is wet wood, fresh wood, remember to clean up the bearings, to put some oil on it to make them working easily. And I have also a wax for my blade. I will use this now. I will show you. I used a wax to seal the blade, and the cuts are smoother on the wood. The blade is not leaving so much scars on the wood, so the wood is much straighter and cuts are easier. So taking a care about your bandsaw is very important. And I'm back to cut a board further. For now I have a lot of logs to cut off, and it will take me a whole day, so see ya.